Your Majesty!
No, this won't do. No, no, no. The bird hunt can't end like this. Where's the thrill? Ruler of a fallen kingdom, the tide of change will swallow you whole. You will crumble and become dust, like all those trinkets you treasured so. No!
And that meant...
Oh, it's
Stand in my way!
Radiant! My hits feel lighter than usual. Now, about my promised treasure.
Boring. I'm bored!
Oh, Great One. What troubles you at the moment of your triumph? Through your victory, you've multiplied your strength, your power!
I merely took back what was rightfully mine. It is as it must be. There is...
Forgive me, Great One. I forgot myself.
It's right before me, and yet... converging the two doesn't interest me in the slightest. But still, you're mine now. Mine and mine alone. I trust you will find a way to join on your own. What of Golden Cheese Cookie? Is she awake yet?
I will send soldiers to the dungeon at once, Great One.
She was too easy a prey. So... meager? How could this be?
Great One, with respect, the spy swarm cornered the prey on your...
You fool. The spice swarm is nothing! Golden Cheese Cookie wouldn't have escaped from me. But she was weak. Too weak. Our fight, my fight, should have been more... thrilling. She had kept a half of my soul gem for so long. Oh, I just can't wait for our little thieving bird to wake up. All this spice powder in the air will make her go Then we'll have a proper battle. Pulverizing her will feel... ecstatic!
Where am I?
My queen, you're awake.
No! Let go! Let me...
Ouch! It's me, your radiance!
Oh, smoked cheese cook.
Finally, you've come to your senses. What a relief.
I must have been out cold for a while. How long did I sleep? No matter. We must go. We must find my soul gem. To think that someone would find one soul gem lacking. An avarice I've never thought possible. 2 soul gems. Such power. I shall.
Golden cheese cookie?
I shall. What is this?
Golden cheese cookie?
Why does my dough feel so heavy? I must act. Break free from this cage. Escape. Face burning spice cookie once more. I must escape. Time is of the essence. But why? Why does my dough feel so inexplicably heavy? Run. Escape. Is this fear? Am I afraid? Golden cheese cookie?
Your radiance. Golden cheese cookie. You're pale as Brie.
I must.
Look at me. I'm still here with you. I haven't returned to the soul cheese yet, which can mean only one. The power of your soul gem is still with you. Burning Spice Cookie hasn't fully claimed it yet. Do not lose your spirit. We haven't crumbled just yet.
Silence, prisoner! Stay quiet. What is the meaning of this?
Pray tell, is it customary in this land to interrupt when two cookies are clearly in the middle of a private conversation?
Ha! In this land, it's customary to punish the big-mouthed ones like you. You really forced my hand. Stand in my way!
Nothing better than showing fools the errors in their ways. You really should thank your creators that I'm but a shadow of my former self.
Just you wait! I'll be back with more soldiers and silence you forever!
Mustn't give up. Mustn't give up.
Golden cheese cookie.
With victory come the spoils. Must act. Must.
To think that's who defeated me not so long ago. You should have handed me your soul gem back then if you were going to crumble so easily.
No.
Trust me, I know what you're going through. I felt the same before. Light fades before your eyes and dread seeps through your entire soul. In the end, this overwhelming trepidation almost wrought the end of our kingdom. You built the Golden City because you refused to give up. I started my conspiracy because I, too, you mustn't let dread shackle you. Your steps might be small and shaky, but only by walking forwards, slowly but steadily, you will prevent yourself from crumbling apart.
Smoked.
I will not protect the Golden City for you, for this is not my burden to bear, it's yours. You are the one who calls yourself the Golden Sovereign. You've defeated me once. Where is that radiant strength now? Use it. Use all you've got. Your fear, your sense of duty, your pride, We called you a god, so be a god!
Crumbs. Yes, that's right. I am. I'm in your debt. Smoked cheese cookie.
Oh, Jesus, if only others were here to witness the Golden Goddess showing such profound humbleness.
Perhaps that brute should have silenced you. Impudent.
I'm glad you're feeling better, Your Radiance. Can you feel the power of your soul gem? Can you wield it?
You're still awake. Yet I can't fly. And the Earth. Only so much.
That is barely enough.
Fine. We start anew. Some great deeds started with even less. It just happens to be enough to fashion a little key.
Jesus.
Shh. Stay on lookout. Time to go.
Look how many spice soldiers came to Teakwood!
Let's show these spicelings how we do it in the Golden Cheese Kingdom.
Yes, and let's make...
Prisoners on the loose! Prisoners on the loose!
Oh, and I thought I was the clown!